Foot structures of birds. Pamprodactyl. Birds with an anisodactyl structure, but toes 1 and 4 can be brought forward when clinging to branches or vertical surfaces. The 2 inner toes are in front, toes 2 and 3. The 2 outer toes, toes 1 and 4, can rotate freely forward and backward. This foot arrangement is found in mousebirds and some swifts. Some swifts can move all 4 digits forwards so that they can hang from cliffs. Mousebirds. This speckled mousebird has 3 toes forwards while it hangs. And this red-faced mousebird has 2 toes forwards. Swifts. Note how these swifts would have to bring all 4 toes forward to get into that nesting hole of the swallows.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.